In today's video, we're going to see what you can do if you want to download the PlayStation app on your PC. So you can actually download the PlayStation app on your PC from the PlayStation website. As you can see right here, once you scroll down, you will see the get it on Google Play and download on the App Store QR codes, which means that you can download it on your phone. But there is one way that you can bypass this if you want to. That would mean using an emulator. You can use an emulator like BlueStacks, so you can simply just go on your web browser and search BlueStacks download, and you will be able to download BlueStacks. And from BlueStacks, you will be able to download PlayStation app. So right here, once I've downloaded BlueStacks, you will just search for games and apps. Here you will write PlayStation app. Now, once you've searched up PlayStation app on your BlueStacks Play Store, this is simply what you need to do. You can now simply install it and you can run it on your laptop. And this is the way how you can use PlayStation app in your PC using the BlueStacks emulator. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.